In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can I install Google Tag Manager to Google Sites website? Possible? Google Sites tutorials. We'll walk through setting up a fresh Google Tag Manager container and adding its code to a Google Sites website using the embed feature. If you've never used Tag Manager before, think of it as a central place to manage marketing and analytics tags without editing your site code every time. Start by opening the Google Tag Manager homepage and choose to create a new account. When you're asked for an account name, use something clear and permanent, like your business or organization name. Next, enter a container name. This can be your website's URL or a label that tells you which site it belongs to. For the target platform, select Web, then click Create. You'll be prompted to accept the terms. Confirm by choosing Yes. Tag Manager will now show you two installation snippets. The first snippet is intended for the head of your site, and the second one is meant to go immediately after the opening body tag. Use the copy icon to grab the first snippet so you don't miss any characters. Switch over to your site in Google Sites and open it in the editor. From the Insert panel, choose Embed, then select the Embed Code tab. Paste the first Tag Manager snippet you just copied, click Next, and then Insert. This places the code on the page as an embedded element. Position it where you'd like on the page for now. The key is that the code is present so the container can load. Go back to Tag Manager and copy the second snippet, the one that's for the opening body tag. Return to your Google site, click Embed again, choose the Embed Code tab, paste the second snippet, click Next, and then Insert. You'll now have both parts of the Tag Manager installation added via embeds. To make your changes live, click Publish in Google Sites. That's it for the installation on the Google Sites side. A few quick tips as you finish up. It can take a couple of minutes for new scripts to load after publishing, so refresh your live site if you don't see activity right away. If your site shows a warning or strips out script code, that means your Google Sites setup may restrict custom scripts in embeds. In that case, check your site's policies or consider allowed alternatives. And remember, Tag Manager becomes truly useful once you add and configure your tags and triggers inside the container. You've now added Google Tag Manager to a Google Sites website using the embed workflow.